because Bella's smaller than me.
Okay.
Nobody can.
Okay,
Oh,
Jojo!
the sun.
Oh my gosh.
I'll just sit right here then. Why don't we?
Hi guys! Welcome back to Fab
Funny
Family Channel.
Channel.
And today we're going to be unboxing or opening slime. So we have a bunch of different slimes, all different colors, all different kinds, and we're we're gonna compare them and we're gonna just play with them. Okay, so the first slime is the one I have. It is a Soft and Slow Squishies Fluffy Whips. It's a fluffy slime that's pink and it smells like very berry.
Hi. Hi. So.
Hi!
My slime. Can we do it?
Gosh, no.
My slime is blue, and it smells, and that's it.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
It smells like blue raspberry. Yummy in my tummy. Angie, scooch over. We can't see
Mine
it.
is a slime.
No way. It is a slime?
What is this? And it smells
Oh,
like
lemon twist. And it's yellow. So
And then I have another slime.
yeah.
It's a hydro flow slime, and it's like it changes color. Right now it's clear, but when you play with it, it turns green. My slime is mine is hydro flow slime. It's like Liliana's, but when you play with mine, it turns orange.
Good job. Good explanation.
But mine is clear.
My slime is fluffy whip tangerine.
It's just like mine.
It's
Except
just like Brianna's,
but it's orange.
but it's orange.
And it smells like tangerines. So let's get unboxing it. Go. As you can see, we changed our scenery.
Yeah!
Go. Set. Go.
Stop.
Oh, look at you.
Mine's not even.
You're supposed to squirt it like this.
No, you're not.
Yeah, so everyone can see.
I'm apparently done.
This is supposed to be satisfying.
I guess it's not.
Well, now we are just going to do a little overview of each of our slimes and some close-ups. So, just a basic overview of my slime. It's really fluffy and it's super stretchy. Overall, I would give it a 5 out of 5. It smells like berry.
Do you know you're a ball? So, my slime is like a butter slime, and it feels like soft, and it's really stretchy, and it smells really good.
What
like
would you-
tangerine. I give it a 10. So my slime is really jiggly and it smells super good.
What does it smell like?
Raspberry.
What? Cool. I thought it was blueberry.
No, razzleberry.
Oh, I thought you said blue.
No.
Strawberry for some reason. I don't know. I'm really old, as you can
Okay.
tell.
What would you rate your slime?
I
And
would-
what kind of slime is it? It's like jiggly slime?
Yeah. I would rate it a 5 out of 5.
Mine is, what was mine?
Lemon drop.
Lemon drop and
Fluffy slime.
fluffy slime, and it's really fluffy.
And it clicks.
Clicks a lot, and it stretches.
So what would you rate it?
Oh,
Oh.
and it smells too.
What would you rate it?
A 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Hey guys, hi guys, mine is like clear slime.
It's watery.
It's watery, but it like your hands like feel like it's watery, but your hands don't supposed to
What?
be watery. 100 out of 10. 100 out of 10. 10, 100. Hey guys.
So overall, the slimes were really good and they all turned out really well, except for the other one. It started off really weird, but we fixed it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for our next video. It's going to be something fun, so hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Bye guys.
Oh, whoa, that is weird.
Wait, I want to
Don't throw that one.